The braking, steering, and suspension systems of a vehicle consist of several wheel bearings. The wheel bearings are most commonly used in the front and rear wheels of the vehicle. Undefined. Therefore, it is possible that a wheel bearing can get faulty with time while the other bearings maintain their good condition. What are wheel bearings? The wheel bearings are small steel balls that are bonded together with the help of metallic rings. Due to the unique design of the wheel bearing, the wheels rotate smoothly with minimum friction. Every wheel has a solid, hollow metallic piece in its center, known as the hub. The bearings are installed tightly in the hubs and run on metal axles. This reduces friction when the wheel spins. Wheel bearings are the supporting point of a vehicle. Your vehicle's weight lies on the bearings, that's why bearings frequently bear a lot of wear and tear. Symptoms of bad wheel bearings. As the wheel bearing goes bad or damaged, they produce one or more of the below given signs: grinding noise, uneven tire wear, loose steering wheel, one side vehicle pull, steering wheel vibration, illuminated ABS warning light will wobble. 1. The humming, rumbling, or grinding noise coming from your car's wheel is one of the clear symptoms of bad wheel bearings. This sound is due to heat produced by the absence of lubricant inside the bearing. You may feel this sound like the sound of two pieces of metal grinding together. Commonly, this sound comes only from the wheel with a damaged bearing. You can clearly notice the grinding sound while turning or shifting your car. 2. Uneven tire wear. Usually, the wheel bearings get damaged or worn out in an uneven way. As the wheel bearing wears out, it may also lead to wear out of the wheel tire. This will lead the corresponding tire to have abnormal tire wear compared to the others. Normally, all the tires of your vehicle wear out near each other, but in case of bad wheel bearing, you may face uneven tire wearing out. 3. Loose steering wheel. The steering wheel of the car sometimes may feel loose or less responsive than normal. This loose steering can be due to bad wheel bearings. This can also be the reason for bad wheel alignment. 4. One-side vehicle pull. When the bearing gets old, the smooth internal layer of the bearing becomes rough and results in vibrations during the movement of the wheel. Because of this vibration, your car may be pulled towards one side of the damaged bearing. With the application of the brakes, you will observe a one-sided pull in your car. This one-sided pull is a clear symptom of damaged brake calipers or rotors. But still, the main reason for the whole scenario can be the bad wheel bearings. 5. Steering wheel vibration. A vibration in the steering wheel is one of the clear signs of bad wheel bearings. The intensity of this vibration can increase with the high speed or turning your car at any position. But the vibration on the steering wheel can be due to several reasons, like tire balancing issues, round tire, or a damaged suspension system of your car. 6. ABS light illumination. With any issue in the ring or the wheel, the speed sensor of the wheel can get faulty. As a result, the anti-lock system light may shine. After all this, the ABS of your car will not work properly. In such a condition, you should immediately contact a professional mechanic. 7. Will wobble. Will wobble can be checked by lifting the vehicle and observing the wheel's movement. If you feel any instability or vibrations in the wheel, you must check the hub assembly immediately. If you prolong this issue, the tire or the wheel will come off and create dangerous situations with huge consequences. Causes of wheel bearing malfunction. Wheel bearing quality, driving conditions, contamination and corrosion, poor installation, imbalanced tires, uneven roads, poor lubrication and accidents are the major causes of bad wheel bearings. 1. Wheel bearing quality. The life of a wheel bearing depends on its quality. Wheel bearings with high quality will last longer than that regular bearings. The complex design of the bearings makes them a tricky product created with complex production procedures. Similarly, low-quality steel is less resistant to heat and will be worn out quickly over time. 2. Driving conditions. Regular driving through uneven surfaces like road, salt, water, or mud can cause the malfunctioning of the wheel bearing. These contaminants can sometimes enter the bearing and mix with grease or lubricants. 3. Improper installation. Wheel end bearings can damage due to the use of the wrong tools or improper use of the right tools. Sometimes, old nuts, seals, and bolts can be the reason for bad wheel bearings and may increase the chances of accidents in the future. 4. Contamination and corrosion. The wheel bearings of your vehicle have seals that protect them from water, dirt, and other contaminants. When the seals become damaged, dirt or water may enter the bearings, which leads to premature wear and damage. 5. Imbalanced tires. Imbalanced tires are one of the main causes of bad wheel bearings. Balancing the imbalanced tires of a car is a crucial part for any car professional. The ability of a bearing to bear the weight may vary from bearing to bearing. That is why some bearings can long last than others. 6. Uneven roads. Frequently driving on uneven and rough roads increases the chances of bearing damage. With time, minor damage to wheel bearing will enhance that damage and fails to eliminate friction for wheels. 7. Accidents. Accidents are one of the major factors that can cause intense and sudden damage to any part of your car. Due to accidents, even minor hits can cause dents in bearings and damage them. 8. Poor lubrication. The wheel bearings of your vehicle need proper lubrication to work efficiently and lower wear. If your vehicle has very low or contaminated lubricant, your bearings may overheat and wear out more quickly. How to distinguish bad wheel bearing noise. 1. Squealing and growling noises. The characteristic noises of bad wheel bearings typically include growling, squealing, and cyclical chirping sounds. These sounds are often related to wheel bearings if they change in accordance with the speed of your car. 2. Humming noise. It's crucial to accurately identify the source of various noises coming from your vehicle in order to escape misdiagnosis. Some sounds may seem similar, but they can stem from different issues.